Hello, dear students. Welcome back. In your previous lecture, you study your 10th lesson. Its name is Be a Craftsman. Be a craftsman. In this lesson, students, you study how to do a marbling. Okay? How to do a marbling. And we are calling it, it is a experiment. It is an experiment which is you can do it at your home with your parents' permission and with their help if you want to do it. Okay, now students, today we are start our next lesson, 11 number lesson. Its name is In the World of Dictionary. In the world of dictionary, it means that dictionary means, students, it has in the dictionary, it has a so many list of the words which has meanings and world like we are living in the world. I'll give you a one example, like, so listen to me very carefully. We all are the humans. We see so many animals, so many birds and so many things. We see we see we see around us. Okay, so students, all these things are the part of the world where we are live it. We all are the humans. And in the whole over the world, our country India, it is a very small part of the world. It is a small part of the world where we all are living. So in whole over the world, students, so many things are we know it, and so many things are we don't know about it. So many things you can see it till your life, and so many things you will be see in your future. But so many things which you can't see, yeah, we said it, you don't see in your future's life, because whole over the world, it is a world, and we did not know, because in whole over the world, so many places, so many things are, it's a very beautiful. But some things you all are definitely you will be see in your future, and some things you won't be see in your future. I'm just telling you world means, in Hindi we calling it दुनिया. इट्स मीन्स ये जो पूरी जो दुनिया होती है स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे हम जानते हैं कि बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर सी चीज़ें जो आपने आज तक देखी होंगी, आप अपनी फ्यूचर लाइफ में आगे भी देखेंगे. बट बहुत सी ऐसी भी चीज़ें बच रहेंगी कि जो आप कभी भी अपनी लाइफ में नहीं देख पाएंगे, बिकॉज पूरी दुनिया घूमना, इट इज़ नॉट अ पॉसिबल. इफ़ समवन कैन डिसाइडेड कि आई कैन ट्रैवल होल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, so definitely the person can try, and half of the world definitely the person will be travel, but whole over the world he won't be, because of that it is a big world. So definitely we can say it, some dreams of our life fulfill, and some dreams are not fulfilled in our life. Okay, leave it. I'm just want to tell you world means what is it. So here you study about the in the world of dictionary means, I'll explain at the start of the lesson. Dictionary means, in the dictionary you have so many words which is are arranged alphabetically ordered, which is you can find very easily. And in the dictionary you can find the meanings of the many words when you want to find it. So it's called it dictionary and world of dictionary. So here you study about the world of dictionary. It means ये जो डिक्शनरी की जो पूरी दुनिया है, आपको इसकी डिक्शनरी की पूरी दुनिया के बारे में हम इस लेसन में पढ़ने वाले हैं. मतलब उसका क्या मतलब है ये हम इसमें इस लेसन में देखने वाले हैं. ओके, विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग. We often come across words that are unfamiliar to us when we read books, newspapers, or magazines. We also hear some new words and phrases when we watch TV programs. How do we find the meaning of these words? So, students, first I want to ask you a question. You know it, you have books. We are taking just your English books, okay? When you are reading your English book, that time you read so many words, okay? You read so many words. Some words meanings you know it, but some words meanings you don't know it. So that time you thought that what is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of these words? The questions comes in your mind, and that time when you think that what is the meaning of these words, because the words are unfamiliar for you, because you didn't hear the word, you didn't hear the word in your life, because the word are unfamiliar for you. You heard the word first time, and which is difficult for you, and you want to find the meaning of these words. So like these some words definitely you read in the newspaper, in the magazines, and also you will you hear some new words and phrases when you are watching TV programs. Like in everyone have a TV in their houses, and every students, every person, I am saying to you, every person watching TV in their house, okay? So definitely you see, you all are watching TV, and you all are watching your favorite cartoon, favorite serials, favorite movies. So in the TV programs, when you are watching TV, so in that program you heard some new words, and that time also you think that because the words are unfamiliar for you and you want to find the meaning of these words. So the question mark, there you have a question mark. The question comes in your mind because you thought that what is the meaning of these words. In the classroom, the teacher is always available to the student to tell the meaning of the new and difficult words, but she cannot accompany every student all the time to explain the meaning. In our class, students, I want to say to you, if in our class, when you have a problem, when you want to know the meaning of any words, so in your class your teachers are available, always available for you, always available for you, and you can ask your problems to your teachers, your science teachers, your history teacher, your English teacher, your maths teacher. You can ask your problems, but teachers are available for you only in the class, only in the class, because teachers are not present in your house, teachers are not present for you, teachers are not present for you to everywhere where you are goes. So that time when you have a problem, and when you know the new words which is unfamiliar for you, and that time the questions also come in your mind, because the words are difficult and unfamiliar for you and you want to find the meaning. So what can you do of that time? So it means that students, every student all the time to explain the meaning of every new words. It means teachers always explaining teachers always explain you the meaning of the word, but sometimes besides grown up people also need help in the respect. But sometimes when your teachers are not available for you, that time you can ask your problems with your elders, with your parents, with your brother, with your sister. If they know the meaning, so definitely they will solve your problem. But if they can't know, so so they didn't solve your problem. A language has a language has a hundreds of thousands of words in it. It is impossible for one person to know all of them, but all these words can be explained in a dictionary. Students, in English language has so many words. In English language has a thousands of words. Thousands of words. In English language has a thousands of words, and every person. It is impossible for one person to know all of them. It means that students, it is impossible to one person to know the meaning of the all the words, because it is a word of dictionary. It means thousands of words. Definitely some persons are know it many more words meanings, but some words meanings they did not know it. So that time when also the person have a problem, so that time they can solve their problem to see the dictionary, because in the dictionary whole over world we explain in a dictionary. So that time you can definitely use the dictionary and to find the meaning of the words which you have a difficulty. At some time or other, you must have been advised to look up a word in a dictionary by your teachers or parents. Let us know, see what the word dictionary means. Give below are some examples of how the word might be explained in different dictionaries. So students, dictionary, if you have a dictionary, so you know that dictionary, it is a very big, okay, and in the dictionary have thousands of words, but you want to know the meaning of the one word, okay, but the word when you want to find in the dictionary, that time you have so many problems, because your words your word are a small word or a big word. But the problem is when you look up in the dictionary, so that time you have to take a help of your parents or your teachers, because let us know, see what the word of dictionaries means. Let us see now, see what the what the word dictionary means. It means word dictionaries, what the mean of word dictionary, because word might be explained in dictionary. In the dictionary words are definitely all the words are explained, but when you want to find it, that time you have a problem, because you don't know how to find the word in the dictionary. Okay, so here you see the two box. In the first box, dictionary, noun, a book in which words are listed in alphabetical order from A to Z. You look up a word in a dictionary to find out what it means and how to spell it. It means that students, in the dictionary, the words are arranged in the alphabetically order like A to Z. So when you want to find the meaning of these words, so that time what should you do it? That time first you see your word and your word spelling. If your words are started from the A, so you can see the list of A, which is a first you see the list A. So A, B, C, D, like it is alphabetically ordered. So you have to look up your spelling and then you can find the line. If the word are started from the A, so you have to see the see the line of A. If the word are started of the B, so you have to find the B line section, because it is very easy to find the meanings of the words. In the another box, dictionary. Here you see plural dictionaries, a book that gives a list of words in alphabetically order and explains their meanings in the same language or another language. Some dictionaries are also, any dictionaries are also available, and in any dictionary students, every words are arranged the alphabetically order, but in some dictionaries has a in order and they explain their meanings in the same language or another language. It means that some dictionaries are have a meanings same language or another language. It means if you have a dictionary, so some dictionaries are you are, if you want to find the meanings, so if you have a dictionary, so you can see your dictionary and you see the some words meanings. In some dictionary has a English into Marathi, English into Hindi. It means some dictionary has a meanings of same language. It means English to English dictionary. If you want to find the meaning in English, so definitely you will find the English meaning. But if you want to find the Marathi meaning, so you have to find the that type of dictionary. It means in the dictionary also, dictionaries are available in all languages like English into Marathi, English into Hindi, English into English, all these languages. A book that explains words used in subject. A book that explains words used in subject. If you want to use dictionary, so first a book that explains, it means that which book you want to buy or which book you want to take it. So that time first you see all the books, because the books are explain the words used in a subject, because all books are used in a subject. Students, I just want to say you, आपके पास जो भी डिक्शनरी है, अगर आप आपकी डिक्शनरी देखी है आपने, तो आपको मालूम हो, पता चलेगा कि सभी डिक्शनरीज में जो लेटर्स होते हैं, जो आपको जो भी वर्ड आपको उसमें ढूंढना है, उसका मीनिंग ढूंढना है, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ऑर्डर से आपको वो देखना पड़ता है. तो पहले आपको उसका स्पेलिंग देखना पड़ता है कि वो स्पेलिंग कौन से लेटर से शुरू हुआ है, ए से शुरू हुआ है, बी से शुरू हुआ है, सी से शुरू हुआ है, और फिर आपको उसके बाद में उस लेटर के बाद में उसका अगला लेटर भी देखना पड़ता है. फिर आप उस हिसाब से वो डिक्शनरी देख सकते हो. आपको अगर कोई बुक्स खरीदनी हो, तो किसी भी बुक को अगर आपको खरीदना होता है, तो उस पर एक टाइटल होता है लाइक डिक्शनरी. तो डिक्शनरी इंग्लिश इंटू मराठी डिक्शनरी, इंग्लिश इंटू हिंदी डिक्शनरी, इंग्लिश इंटू इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी, सो लाइक दैट. सब्जेक्ट डिक्शनरी, शब्दांचे अर्थ, उच्चार, वापर याबद्दल माहिती देणारे पुस्तक शब्दकोश. You see the lines here. So what is the meaning of dictionary? In short, very simple language, this is the meaning of this dictionary. Okay, we will meet in our next lecture, students, and we will going to continue the lesson of this next lecture. Thanks for the watching. Thank you.